Today we will show you how to replace the battery boards in your Rally or Vector 3 power meter. For this video we are using a Vector 3 set, but the process is the same for Garmin Rally power meters. For this process you will need a pedal wrench, 4mm Allen key, the included screwdriver, and the Vector 3 replacement parts kit that includes a new battery door and screws. This kit can be found on Garmin.com. You will also need mineral oil, also known as baby oil, and a toothpick to apply the lubricant when prompted. Now use the 4mm Allen key to remove the battery door, giving access to the battery board. Next, we want to use your screwdriver to remove the two screws holding the battery board in place. Now remove the old battery board. Install the two screws that come with the kit back into the battery board. Then we can take the new battery board and place it inside the pedal. Now, apply the mineral oil to the battery holder. Apply the mineral oil to the contacts on the battery board. Then, to both sides of each battery. Next, reinstall the battery board using your 4mm Allen key. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.